everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. I'm doing okay, all things considered. I can't complain, and it wouldn't do me any good if I did. So, do you guys want to talk some yarn? Yeah? I always love talking yarn with you guys, and I appreciate when you guys stop in and talk it with me. So, I'm going to show you some yarn from Lion Brand. They had a clearance sale, and it's so actually, today is 3/26/2022. They still have some of this yarn on sale and some new yarn that I didn't see at the time when I bought this. I'm not going to buy anymore because I bought way too much this time. But I'll show you what I got from them. It took them a little while to ship, but they're having problem shipping at Lion Brand. They're having backups, and that's okay. I waited for it. It took about 2 weeks, I think. But like I said, maybe not 2 weeks. Maybe about a week and a half. I don't know. Anyways, let's look at it. Want to? It was busted open. So I will be able to just rip it open, and I'll show you what I got and what my plans are for some of it. Oh, I'm always excited to look at yarn, especially when it was clearance yarn. But good yarn, that's clearance yarn. So first off, I got some Mandala, however you say it. I say Mandala. This is their watercolors. Now, I have a top I made out of this on my channel. You can find the tutorial for it if you look underneath my playlist of women's clothing. But anyways, I love the Mandala watercolors. I got this on clearance for like $2 and I think 39 cents maybe a cake. Excellent deal. You can't beat it. I mean, you can't. I like it a lot. It smells clean. Kind of smells like cardboard, but clean. So the Mandala Mandala watercolors is a bulky number 5, and it's 164 yards. It's an acrylic wool nylon blend. It's beautiful. I love it. See that it looks kind of a washed look. So I got, they didn't have all the colors on clearance, but they had some of them. So I did get the ones that they did. And I think I might make a blanket out of one of these. Probably this brown one. Oh, I won't do it. My husband will do it. But I'll design it and he'll crochet. I don't like crocheting blankets. Anyways, I do it sometimes. Very seldom. I usually pass them on to him. But anyways, I'm horrible, aren't I? He likes it. He loves it. Anyways, so this is very beautiful. Like I said, I do have a top I made out of it. You guys should check it out. It's very, very beautiful yarn. It's roving style. I love roving style yarn. So this one is called Almond, I think. Yes, Almond. So I did get plenty of that one to make a blanket. And then they had this gorgeous pink, which could be a blanket as well for my 6-year-old daughter, Evelyn Rose. Most of the time we call her Rose. She would love that too. She likes blankets a lot. Beautiful. I love it. This one's called Tealberry. Remember, these were like, I can't remember, $2.39 or $2.59. I don't know. Lion Brand never puts the prices on their invoice. And that light's just not doing me any justice today. I'm sorry. No justice for Bagoday underneath the lights today. All right. And this one's called Icy Grape. It's really pretty because I like it that it's got the brown mixed in with the purple. Isn't that beautiful? Very, very pretty. Beautiful color. I mean, you just can't really beat the price on that. Is that all of them I got? I think maybe that's all the mandalas I got. Come on now. It is. I guess they only had 3 colors on sale. They had another one, but it was sold out, a blue one. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, and then we're going to move on. Some of this is not clearance, and some of it is. They had their Naboo on sale. I love their Naboo. I stocked up on their Naboo because it was like $2 something a ball at the time, I believe. Certain colors, not all their colors. But certain ones were like $2 something a color. $2 something, $2.39 or $2.59 a ball. That is a good deal on the Naboo. I like Naboo. Naboo is great for spring and summer projects. It's what I plan on using it for. So this is what I got. Naboo is 100% lyocell. It's eco-friendly production of lyocell, a fabric made from plants, leads the fiber industry in terms of energy and water conservation. It is classified as a medium weight number 4, and there are 157 yards, 100% lyocell. Now, I love Naboo. I love it a lot. I think I do have a few things like made out of it. It does have a tendency to split a little bit, like bamboo and stuff like that, but it's still beautiful. It's shiny. It has a beautiful drape. So my plans for all this Naboo this year is tops and dresses, probably for my daughter, or shawls. Things that require beautiful drapes and beautiful shiny silky fabric on your skin, because that's what this will be. So I'll show you the colors. Now these are the colors that they had on clearance. I don't, you know, it was just certain colors, not all of them. This one is called Peach. Yes, that's an appropriate name. So I guess I got 6 peaches. I don't know what plans I had for that. This one I love. I think this one's called Mocha. I got 6 mochas. Beautiful, beautiful. That would probably be a top. That peach, what did I say how much the yardage was for that? I forgot already. I got short-term memory. Short-term memory. I really do. I really do. So we have to apologize if I forget things easily or if I repeat myself a lot. It's because I have a short-term memory problem. And I forget what I say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I might be able to make my daughter something out of that. I probably can. Okay. And then I got the blue here. It's very beautiful. This one is called Sky. Ooh, that's beautiful. That's like a periwinkle blue. What do you guys think? I call that periwinkle. I'm always interested in everybody else's interpretation of color. Not cornflower. It's too light for that. Periwinkle would be my idea on that one. Maybe this one would be more cornflower. What do you guys think? This one's called Thistle. It's kind of a purplish, I guess. It's beautiful though, and nonetheless, whatever color you interpret that as. It's like a purplish blue. Beautiful. And then we have a goldenrod. I love it. I also enjoy the flower of goldenrod, even though this doesn't really, it's not quite bright enough for that flower, but it's still a beautiful, beautiful color. I love those colors. And then I got this one, which also I love, hazelnuts. Ah, beautiful. I'm a brownie type of person, so I'm a yellowy, darky yellow color type of person. And greeny looking type, I don't know. That's just my colors. So I got those. So remember, those are either like $2.39 or $2.59 a ball. I can't remember. I mean, how can you really beat that? You just can't. I don't think so, considering new Naboo is usually $6.50 a ball on the regular. So, you know, it was quite a difference. Let's see. Okay, these they have, I think, still. I like this yarn too. This is a Heartland Thick and Quick. So if you guys are familiar with their Heartland yarn, let me open this bag up. This is their thick yarn. Now I made a sweater out of this last year, only the red. You guys should check it out. It's a nice sweater. It's a Raglan style too. I know a lot of people like that. I don't like Raglan styles, but I don't do them too often. But I did do one out of this last year. This is 125 yards of a super bulky number 6 100% acrylic. Is it ever soft too? It's nice. This one's called Joshua Tree, the color. It's very pretty. Isn't that green gorgeous? So these are $3.49 a ball, which is a good deal, I think. They're usually $7 a ball, so it was half price. Can't beat a half price yarn, I don't think. So I got some of that. Let's see. I guess I got 6 of the green. I don't really know what I was thinking when I bought this stuff. Like, what I was going to make with it. No, I got 9 of the green. Yes, that's 9. Because that's what I would need. It's a 6 weight, but the yardage is a little bit lacking on that. Yeah, that would make me anything I would want to make myself. So, and then I got the red, which is so pretty. This is what I made my sweater out of last year. Oh, you guys have to look. You guys have to look that sweater up. And the sweater I made out of my Mandala watercolors. And the items I made out of my Naboo Oh, I got a beautiful top made out of Naboo too. I should check out my women's clothing. You should check it out. This one's called Redwood. It's gorgeous. It's my favorite color of the Heartland Thick and Quick that they have. And then I got another red. And then I got their blue. I think that was the only 3 that they had. I got there a little late, so they were sold out of some colors. But they still do have these. This one's blue is beautiful as well. And it's called Olympic. Nice. Nice name. Okay. Now, the rest of these I have were not on clearance, but I did buy them because I was going to make some things with them for my daughter. And for summer, I told you I'm going to try to do more tutorials this year and yarn content and less of other things. So this is going to be a dress for my daughter. I love Lion Brand Pima Cotton. This wasn't on clearance. You know, it was. Actually, it wasn't on clearance. I paid full price for it. But then the next day, they put all their cotton like 35% off. And I was like, dang it. What can you do, though? What can you do? I can't read Lion Brand's mind. If I could, I would have known. Anyway, I got this beautiful, beautiful yellow for her summer dress. It's called Mineral Yellow. Their Pima Cotton is absolutely wonderful. If you guys are looking for dresses, she's in a 6 right now. So I have 2 or 3 dresses, maybe 4 that I've made out of Pima Cotton that is like for 6 or 7-year-olds that you can look up on my channel. Of course, you don't have to use Pima Cotton. You never have to use the yarn that I use. But, yeah, that I made her last year. So if you're looking for like a little bit bigger of a dress, I usually make them as she grows. So, but this is beautiful. The Pima, I love it. I usually use it for a lot of her summer dresses. It's a medium weight number 4. 2 yardage on this. 100% Pima Cotton. 186 yards. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of them. Yeah, she's a big girl now though, so hopefully that'll do it. I hope, if I don't make it too roughly. And then I got actually these 2 to trim it in. They don't really have a straight white in the Pima Cotton. They have, this one's called Vintage, so that's the closest I could get to a straight up white. The other one was kind of a gray looking, even though this looks gray. The other one was even more gray. But I got a couple of these that I could, I like to border her dresses in a white. Most of you'll find, not all of them, but most of them I'll border in like a light color. I may not border this one because I don't know if that matches. Does that match? Or should I just make it all straight yellow? I guess we'll see. I'll read your guys' comments. Okay, and then I was going to make another dress for her out of their Mako cotton. I love it. This wasn't on clearance either. It was the day after, but it wasn't the day after I bought it, but it wasn't at the time. I love Lion Brand's Mako cotton. Now, Mako cotton and Pima cotton are both very nice cottons, but very, very different in feel. They both feel wonderful, but they both feel very different. Pima cotton is, I don't know, it's so soft, but Mako cotton is so soft, but it's more of a micro fibery soft. It's different type of softness than the Pima. But anyway, so I got this for her, and this one is chain spun. This Mako cotton is, oh my gosh, my nails are horrible, I'm sorry. Now that I pointed them out, you guys are going to notice them. Anyways, this is the Mako chain spun microfiber soft. That is beautiful. It feels like it would be warmer, actually, than regular, but since it's chain spun, it's going to be really lightweight. Being a chain spun construction allows the air to go through the strands, and it makes it a lighter weight. But it's 94% Mako cotton and 6% nylon. 125 yards. Medium weight number 4. I like it. Hand wash, lay flat. Hand wash and lay flat doesn't bother me because I hand wash and lay flat every single thing I make, because every single thing that I keep. I donate a lot of stuff, but everything, I keep all my daughter's dresses. And I have a video also as how I hand wash my things. But anyways, I spend so much time on stuff, there's no way I'm throwing it in a washer. Ain't no way. This Pima cotton one time, not to get sidetracked, it says that you can wash and dry it. So I did a test. I made a top out of this. Oh, I have a top. I have lots of stuff made out of this too on my channel, women's clothing too. I took my tank top that I crocheted and I put in a washer and dryer and ruined it. You cannot put this in the dryer. It peels. Anyways, it was just an experiment. Okay, back to the Mako. So I got this to make my daughter a dress. It's beautiful, beautiful cotton. So this color is called, remember this wasn't on clearance. I don't know what color it's called. It's this burgundy color, plum color. Oh, rosebud. Oh, that fits my daughter well. She's my little rosebud. So I did get this one, and then I got this to border it. Now those two will look well together. That's a nice bright white. Yes, yes, I love it. I love it. That's gonna be beautiful. Okay, and then I have just a couple more here to show you, and then I'm gonna go. Now, a lot of people were telling me to get this yarn, and I do want to say that this yarn is not new. This yarn came out last year, and I made a hat and scarf set out of it last year when it was new. It's on my channel. It's a corner to corner hat and scarf set. You can find a tutorial for it. They stopped making it and they brought it back this year. I think lots of people think it's new because a lot of people have been telling me to try it, but I have already tried it and made a tutorial out of it. Last year I did, but this is their ice cream roving style. That one. They do have some new colors that they didn't have last year, and I like this yarn a lot. I do. This wasn't on clearance, but like I said, I have a nice, very beautiful corner to corner scarf, and then a hat, corner to corner hat that I made. You could check that out on my channel last year out of it. But this is, I think, very nice yarn. It's so soft, it's so shiny, it's very nice. I've worked with it, like I said, a tutorial for it. I might have a couple tutorials using it. It's a 100% acrylic, medium weight number 4, and it's 437 yards of a roving style yarn. The color I have is Toasted Marshmallow. This is a new color this year. They didn't have this one last year. Of course, I'm going to go for it because it's brown. That's for their 4-weight roving. I love it. It's very, very beautiful. I think Toasted Marshmallow is appropriate. My marshmallows, when I toast them, I like them like that. That's pretty. I like it a lot. It's so soft. And then I got this one. They did have this color last year. I don't think I made anything out of it. I think I put it in a giveaway. But this one's called a Bit of Honey. Bit of Honey, I'm sorry. But it's beautiful as well. I love it. This wasn't a new color. They brought this back from last year. But isn't it pretty? It's a very nice yarn, and I do highly recommend it if you haven't tried it. It's got a nice amount of yardage in it. 437 yards of a 4-weight, 100% acrylic. If you like a roving style, this is just, it's absolutely gorgeous. And they have some pretty colors this year. Some are the same, and some are new. So I got that too. So that's it. That was my clearance haul. How fun was that? And I kept it under 20 minutes. Thank you all for joining me. You know, I always appreciate you guys talking yarn with me. And I always appreciate it when you guys watch my videos. It means a lot to me. It does. It means the world to me. You know, I love you all. And all I can say to express my gratitude towards everything you've ever given to me is thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. That's all I could ever want from you. So if you're still here at the end, love you all. I'll see you guys on my next video, okay?